First thing first, I'm just gonna start out by grabbing out a bowl, and then I'm gonna get my oats ready. And this morning, I'm just gonna make a half cup of oats. Next, I'm gonna just pour in my water, and I don't know why I put the water in before everything else. But next, of course, I'm just gonna add in my oats. I went a little bit overboard there, but you know, it's all good. And then I'm gonna add my Himalayan pink salt. I think that it has a different flavor to it, I don't know, but I'm gonna just throw this in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and then while that's heating up, I'm gonna peel a banana and then dice that up so that I can have some banana in my oatmeal. So I just pull my oatmeal out of the microwave, and I like to put in brown sugar because it really flavors it, and I think it just tastes so good. And I also like to put in chocolate chips just because while it's warm, you know, they melt in it. And I'm going to add in some skim milk because I feel like most of the water you put in initially gets absorbed in the microwave. So then on top, I'll add my bananas. For my finishing touch, I just add some chocolate chips on top of it all. My breakfast is so good right now. For lunch, I'm going to have a kale salad, and I'm just going to pull out my kale, my grapes, and a few other things I need from the fridge. And then I'm just going to lay my plate out, and then, of course, throw some kale down first. And yeah, I eat salad off of a plate. Sometimes I eat out of a bowl. It just kind of depends what I'm feeling like, you know what I'm saying? Next, for my salad, I'm going to show you a little trick on how I cut my green grapes. This was a really good batch of green grapes. Totally don't mind the Christmas container they're in. There was just so many grapes, and that was the container that I went with. But I'm going to use 2 Tupperware lids that I really don't care about, and I'm going to place the grapes in between. You can do as many as you like, but you kind of have to be careful with this one. I'm going to take the knife straight through all the grapes, and hopefully, if you get it right, all of the grapes will be cut evenly in half. And then these will go on the salad next. And because this is a kale fruit salad, it's totally up to you whatever you'd want to add to this. I just really like the combo of grapes and apples. I feel like oranges would be really good in this too. But for now, I'm going to cut up this apple just into bite-sized pieces to toss into my salad next. For on top, I'm going to add some sunflower seeds, which just add the perfect amount of saltiness. And then chia seeds, because I put chia seeds on just about everything. For my dressing, I'm going to use poppy seed dressing, which I know isn't the best for you, but really anything in moderation. I'm finishing up with 2 drops of lemon juice for flavor. To start dinner off, I just wash some broccoli and then lay that out on a plate to dry. So to bread my chicken, I'm going to use these Pretzel Factory Buffalo Wild Wing, I believe, flavored chips. Pretzel things, and what I usually do is just crunch them up in the bag first to get them as small of crumbs that I possibly can, and then I'm just going to dump them on the plate. And on a baked chicken recipe that I had previously followed along to, it said to mix the egg and the flour in the same bowl, so that's what I've been doing, and it's been working ever since. So then I'm going to, you know, make sure that's evenly coated and then roll that around in the pretzel crumbs. Now I'm going to get those in the oven, baking on 350, and while that's happening, I'm going to get out my butter, get my pan pre-buttered, and then start to, you know, get my broccoli in the pan, and I'm just going to, you know, steam this up, steam it up, skillet it up, fry it up, chef it up. And then whenever it gets close to, you know, the broccoli being done and the chicken being done, I'll just get those mashed potatoes started. However, they only cook for like a second, so once they're done, I'm just going to, you know, get everything ready on our plates. So now, brownies were totally just for funsies. This is not an every week thing or an everyday thing, but I just had to make them tonight, so I'm pretty much just following the instructions on the box. These are not healthy brownies. I'm getting out my eggs, my vegetable oil, and water, and I'm just gonna combine all my ingredients together. I think that's all of them. And then I'll pour my batter into a pan just so I could throw those babies in the oven and get them baked. I'm going to go in with my confetti, funfetti, chocolate fudge icing. This is just so good. You can't go wrong with it. And add in a little sprinkles on top.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this on my channel, definitely thumbs this video up. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know you like this video. Yeah.